In this video, I'll guide you through how to cancel a Substack subscription. If you've been supporting a newsletter or publication on Substack and you've decided it's time to stop your paid subscription, I'll walk you through each step so you can do it quickly and confidently. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for without having to hunt through menus. First, open your web browser and go to substack.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account, especially if you use more than one email on Substack. If you're not already logged in, click the sign in option and enter your usual credentials. Once you're logged in, you should see your Substack homepage with the publications you follow. Now, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see an icon with three horizontal lines, often called the menu or hamburger icon. Go ahead and click those three lines. This opens up the main navigation menu, which gives you access to your account settings, profile, and of course, your subscriptions. In this menu, you'll want to find the section labeled Subscriptions. This is where Substack keeps a list of all the newsletters and publications you follow, including both free and paid ones. Click on Subscriptions to open that page. It may take a moment to load if you're following a lot of different writers, so just give it a second. Once the subscriptions page is open, you'll see a list of everything you're subscribed to. What you're looking for here is the specific paid subscription you want to cancel. Paid subscriptions are typically marked with information about your billing, such as monthly or yearly plans. Take a moment to carefully select the correct publication so you don't accidentally cancel something you still want to support. When you've found the paid subscription you want to cancel, click on it. This will open the details page for that particular subscription. Here, you'll usually see information like the publication name, your current plan, the renewal date, and sometimes past invoices or billing history. This is a good place to double check that you're working with the right subscription before moving on. On this subscription details page, look for the option that says unsubscribe or something similar indicating cancellation. This is the button you'll use to stop future payments. Go ahead and click unsubscribe. Substack may show you a confirmation message or a small pop-up asking you to confirm that you really want to cancel. This is just to prevent accidental clicks. Confirm the cancellation when prompted. After you confirm, your paid subscription will be cancelled, meaning you won't be charged at the next renewal date. In many cases, you'll retain access to paid content until the end of your current billing period, but that can depend on the publication. You should also receive a confirmation email from Substack letting you know the subscription has been successfully cancelled. That's all there is to it. Go to substack.com, open the menu with the three lines at the bottom left, head into subscriptions, choose the paid subscription you want to stop, and click unsubscribe. Once you've done that, your Substack billing for that publication will be taken care of.